kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. At ngayon ay matutunghayan ang pag-turnover ng machineries at farm equipments. Mula sa Department of Agriculture, mamamahagi po ng hauling truck, four-wheel drive tractor, and multi-commodity thresher at corn mill.